Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Alex here. Today I'm going to show you how to create the total for rows and columns using a combination key in Excel. This is the data structure. Typically you put the sum function here, equals sum, tab, click on the first value and select all the data for the first rows and enter sum for the first rows. Or you click in this cells and click there for this button. All the data is selected and enter, and the results it's okay. It's not wrong, but I have a great tips for you. Select all the data and the empty cells like this. Click there, press shift key and click there. All the data is selected and the empty cells is selected. Right now, combine two keys. Alt key with equal key. Alt plus equal generate the totals for this data. That's it for today's tutorials. See you next time and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.